Hello, everyone, and welcome to my Lunch and Learn session for today. Today, we are going to be looking at how to create clickable PDFs within Canva, clickable documents within Canva. So, two things for me. As you're coming in, be sure to share this video out. And if you do not follow me here on TikTok currently, be sure to follow me here on TikTok as well as on all my socials. Good morning, 3 Beats in my heart. How are you doing today? I hope everything is well. Good afternoon right now. Hope all is well. So as you're coming in, be sure to share this video out. Today we are learning how to create a clickable PDF within Canva. Now you may ask yourself, why is this important? Because if you were to sell an item on Etsy or sell an item on your own website, I use Shopify, you have to learn how to have these items so your customers can click on that template and then go ahead and download or have access to said item. So let's go ahead and get started, all right? So let's just say that this is what I am selling. I'm going to be selling this template, just saying, I'm selling this template for sale, right? So my customers can come and purchase my template and they will have access to what I have here. Now, I want to sell this. So I'm going to go over here because I have already drafted a PDF for them, okay? This is what they'll get when they purchase my information. It'll say, thank you for your purchase. It has all of my links up here, up top where I can be found, directions, and you click here to gain access to your template. Now, with this information right here, all this is clickable, y'all. So I click on this and you can see it takes you to my Facebook. It takes you to my Instagram. It takes you to my TikTok as well as to my YouTube. So this can also be used for many other items other than just having to have access to a template. So when they make their purchase, they can click on these things and find me wherever I am on all my socials, right? So how do I do this? So first of all, let me move this down some, and I'm going to add an element, just add a box around this so it can stand out and stick out so that they know that they have to do this when they purchase. I'm going to just stretch it out some and kind of make it a tad bit smaller. I'm going to round my corners here to not look as harsh, okay? So they click here to have access, but you have to give them something to click, right? So let's go back over to your original document. This is where the magic happens. You click here on share. It gives you many options, but we are going to click on the option for a template link. The template link is what Canva gives you that you can then give to everyone else to have access to what that design is, where the design is located. So you click on copy, then go back over to this. I'm going to click here. You see these 3 dots. Let me make it bigger so you can see. You see these 3 dots right here. I click on these 3 dots and then I find where it says link. I click on link and then I want to simply copy and paste that link into that box. I'm going to press return and boom, bam, it is done. All right. Now to test it out, you can click on that link and you see here it has that Canva link right there. I'm going to click on that. And then guess what? It gives you this as a template, right? That they can then scroll through and see all that is offered. And then also click to edit template to begin using it for whatever they want to use it for. So that is how you create a clickable document within Canva. Now, the next step is you want to be sure to download this to then add to wherever it is you're selling, whether it be Etsy, whether your own website, whatever. You go to share, and then you're going to download, and make sure you scroll down to download as a PDF standard, best for documents and emailing. Why? Because this allows them to be able to click in that document and use it. So I'm going to go ahead and download this as a PDF. Make sure I just download this one page. I'm not downloading the whole thing. So I'm downloading page 13. So come back again, PDF standard, and then I'm going to click on current page, done. download, and then I'll show you all what it looks like for your customer. So when your customer then is able to access this, and you will be able to see how it looks on their end. So save it, and then I'm going to come back up here, click on my envelope, and then double click. And this is what it looks like, right? So they can click here, look, open in Google Chrome, boom, bam, and this is your template. All right, so that was a very fast way to show you all how to create clickable templates, clickable documents within Canva. So you can then access whatever you need and then share that out with your customers should they download and choose to purchase from you. Does anyone have any questions about what we covered so far? I know it was fast, but today was a very short, brief lesson on how to create clickable PDFs within Canva. Any questions? And remember, if you are not following me here on TikTok, please be sure to follow me here. I am going live again next Friday, July 19th at noon, and then we will we will talk about how you can create a digital planner. Any questions so far? All right, if you're not following me here on TikTok, be sure to do so by going up there and you're subscribing to me. Also, head over to my YouTube and subscribe there to see all that I have to offer. I want to let you know why I have you here. I do have 2 classes coming up. Next week, I have a planner class that is coming up, and I will take you all from start to finish and learn how to create a planner. So that planner class is just $47. It starts at 6:30 Eastern Standard Time, July 10th. You'll get free images, free templates, and I will give you replay access for those that join in. And you will learn how to create a planner, images, templates, and so much more. And then after that class, I do have a party favor class that is coming up on July the 18th. Now that class is going to help you learn how to create party favors. And if you joined me last week and you saw where I created covers for my pen and gear notebooks, and I do have one available for purchase right now. I'm working on making the other one available for purchase as well. But this is what my pen and gear notebook covers, how they look, how they turned out. And this is just me designing in Canva. I had my images I downloaded using my ChatGPT, and these are said images. It was super easy, and that YouTube video is up right now for you to have access to learn how to create your notebook covers. All right. Does anyone have any questions? Any questions? I appreciate everyone for joining me today. I hope that brief tutorial was helpful to you all, so you learn how you can now include your clickable documents and items when you go to sell to your customers, when you want to share a template. It's super duper easy and fast. It was a quick and dirty tutorial today, so nothing too deep. So thank you all for joining me. Again, anyone have any questions? All right, if no one has any questions, then I'm going to bid you all adieu. I hope you have a great afternoon, and I look forward to seeing you all next Friday. And I look forward to seeing you all in some of my classes that are coming up. All right, so everyone have a wonderful, are we still learning email signatures? Thank you for saying that. The email signatures is up on my YouTube page right now. That video is up on YouTube right now. Okay, so you can access that. Go to my YouTube page and you will find that there along with the other videos. And if you have any questions, ask, comment. You're welcome. So I have the email signatures there. I have saving templates in a folder in the Canva. The pen and gear notebook covers and other videos are there as well. So be sure to head over and see all that I have there. But yeah, that video is up on YouTube already. All right. I hope you all have a wonderful afternoon. If you have any questions, you can feel free to reach out. You can always message me here on TikTok, or if you're on my YouTube, leave a comment there and I will respond there. But otherwise, you'll have a wonderful Friday. Stay cool. Where I am in South Carolina, the temperature, the heat index is supposed to be 110 degrees. That's hot. So stay cool, stay hydrated, and you all take care. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.